In this video, I'll show you how to check the real condition of your iPhone battery. First, open the Settings app, then select Battery. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more useful videos. Let's continue. Next, choose Battery, Health and Charging. On the screen that appears, you'll see the percentage indicating your battery's condition. However, this value isn't entirely accurate, so I'll show you how to find the exact battery health. Go back to the home screen and open the Safari web browser. In the search bar at the top, type iPhone battery shortcut. From the search results, tap on this link. Scroll down and tap on the link labeled Battery Stats Shortcut. This shortcut will help you find the true condition of your battery. Tap the Add Shortcut button. After that, go back to your iPhone settings. Open the Privacy and Security section. Find and open Analytics and Improvements. Tap on Analytics Data. You'll see many entries containing your device's analytics reports. Open the most recent entry, the one with a large amount of text inside, similar to what you see on my screen. Then, tap the Share button in the top right corner. Tap the three-dot button to view all actions, and then select Battery Stats, the shortcut we added earlier. After processing the analytics file, it will display the real battery health values of your iPhone on the screen. Thank you for watching.